Special purpose / adaptable dwelling. Projex Building Group, Whitlam. Projex Building successfully delivered the challenging 13,000 square metre Armidale Townhouse Development alongside Housing ACT. The project, which includes single and two-storey townhouses, met Certified Adaptable Class C and Liveable Gold standards, ensuring high-quality, accessible housing options for the community. The townhouses were designed with high-level outlooks, spacious outdoor areas and low-maintenance materials. Community well-being was prioritised by incorporating communal spaces, and energy-efficient construction methods were used for long-term sustainability and reduced operating costs. The project demonstrates Projex's ability to deliver high-quality, adaptable housing solutions under complex site conditions. Congratulations, Projex Building Group.